That's the table. Oh my days. Oh my days. Oh. Hey guys. Today is a new day and I have to clean my room because right now my room is literally looking like... Let me show you guys. Please don't judge me. It's been a rough week for me. It's been really busy, but it's really bad. That's the table. Oh my days. Oh my days. Oh my days. It is not looking very good right now. The bathroom as well is not in the best condition. So I'm gonna be taking you guys with me on this little cleaning spree that I'm gonna be doing because I can no longer live like this. Literally, when I come back from a long day and come into my room, it literally feels like I'm walking into like a landfill. So first step to this whole cleaning routine that I'm gonna be doing is picking up all the trash that is in this room and putting it in the trash can. That's right here. So, like on this table, there's a freaking toilet roll. Like, tell me why this is in here. Like, this is actually horrendous. Everything on the floor as well. I'm gonna be throwing away. What the hell? This room is actually horrendous. Like, I don't even know how I've been surviving living in here. It's actually like really bad. So I've thrown the respective trash into the trash can and now I'm going to be putting this pile of clothes that is on my chair into my wardrobe. Like, what is this? There's also clothes on the bed and there's clothes all here. So obviously I need to do some wardrobe organization and I also have to do my laundry and also I need to take my trash out and I need to make my bed and I need to like do a lot of stuff. So hang on tight guys, it's gonna be a long ass journey. This is the landfill we have right here. I don't even know. Oh my days. What the hell is this doing here? Okay, this is definitely going into the laundry basket because what? Ew, it smells so bad. Oh my days, bro, I am... Okay, this smells fine, so... This is going into the wardrobe. Wardrobe cleaning success. This is what the wardrobe is looking like. Okay, not the best, but you know what? We make it work. We make it work. We make it work. Next step to this routine is literally getting everything off the floor so we can do a deep clean of this room. Like a deep floor cleaning of this room. Because there are literally like crumbs and like food crumbs like everywhere. And also because like my house slippers are not the cleanest and I walk around in this room everywhere with the house slippers. Let's take everything off the floor and do a deep floor cleaning of this room. Guys, I don't think this is how big a trash bag should be normally. Like, there's so much trash in here, it's actually insane. Okay, the floor is now nice and empty. What a nice and empty floor. And I'm going to be spraying this all-back all-purpose cleaner because obviously there's probably going to be tons of bacteria in this because it's so messy and there's literally crumbs everywhere if you guys can't tell. So first round of cleaning is going to be done with this mop. Just the basics because right now it is really a... That was the first round of deep cleaning. Now I have to do a second round with this Flash Speed Mop. So I'm going to do a second round of floor wiping with this one because right now it is actually disgusting. There's hair coming out, there are crumbs coming out, there are like just unknown substances coming out from this floor and it is genuinely disgusting me because how have I been surviving in a floor that is full of like dust and like hair and like so yeah, let's keep going. Not sponsored, but if you guys are in uni, I recommend investing in a flash mob. It is literally a lifesaver. Like literally all you have to do is open the package of your mops. Please sponsor me, like sponsor me please. Like it comes like this and then you literally take it out and then, oh my day. Basically you would spread it open like that. And then you attach your mop. And you would literally slot these corners in to the mop. And your mop is literally ready to clean your room. Ta-da! Oh, don't hear me. Okay guys, it is looking all clean. But obviously it's not done yet because I have to take the trash out and do my laundry and wash my dishes that have been rotting in my room for 2 days. And also we still have one room left, which is my bathroom, that we need to clean up because my bathroom is not looking very good either. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's keep going. Okay guys, I got distracted and right now I'm using this dry cloth to get the corners of the room because there are usually like disgusting things like stuck in the corner of the room, and I'm gonna be doing that to ensure all corners and edges of my room are clean because, you know, you never know. So I'm gonna do that. Ew, also my room is actually so freaking crusty. It's actually insane. Like, I am going to vomit. Anyways, so yeah, I'll do that, guys. Ew, I'm gonna vomit. What the hell, bro? Ready for a bathroom reveal? Super duper messy right now. Also, there is like hair on my toilet bowl and I don't even know where to start. It's like so messy. Okay guys, I'm gonna do a before and after montage. So this is the before. Super messy. Before. Okay guys, the bathroom has somewhat been cleaned. Let me show you guys. Not a lot has changed, but I organized it. So this is like my makeup. This is my makeup remover and my teeth stuff. This is like makeup spray, other makeup I don't use, and this is just leftover like shampoo and body wash that I have. I like did a deep clean of the sink, and before that we need to organize the table because what is going on this table? There's so much going on. I'm going to put everything back on this table. This cleaning is never ending. Obviously, this is my problem because everyone's room is really clean and this is just me. I also need to make my bed because my bed is actually not made right now and it is so messy. Okay guys, the table is now somewhat empty. I low-key pushed everything to the side, but now I'm gonna do a deep clean of this table because there are crumbs on it as well, with this, also not sponsored, Clorox Expert disinfecting wipes. I low-key cooked. Let me show you guys. This is the bathroom right now. This is my room. Now all I need is this crusty bed to be made, and also for my dishes to be washed, and also my laundry and the trash to be taken out. Okay guys, I can see the end. The end is nearing. I'm almost there. We can do this. Let's do this. I'm gonna make my bed now. What the freak, bro?
Cause I only want you, yeah. Cause I only want you, yeah. Cause I only want you, baby, yeah, I only want you, yeah, 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 yeah.
Okay, I somewhat made the bed and the table is clean, is looking not too shabby. But now I need to do the hardest part, which is taking this large trash bag out of this room. And it's so big, like, I don't know how I'm gonna take it out. Like, it's actually humongous. Okay. Wait, they don't love me like I love you. Wait, they don't love me like I love you. Okay, time to take trash out. I think it's literally gonna break when I take it out. Like, it's literally, it's so big. Like, ah! Survive going down the list. Oh my days, it's so heavy. Okay. I will be back, and if it is a success that I took in the trash out, then you guys will see me. If I don't, if it's not successful, then I guess you guys won't see me. Wish me luck. I'm gonna take this humongous trash bag out. I successfully took the trash bags out. Oh my gosh, okay, I can finally give you guys a room tour because this room is finally like presentable. Okay, so this is my room, everyone. Ignore the laundry. These are my shoes, my thing, and this is my room. It's so cute, so petite. I have all my clothes up there. Okay, I need to clean that up as well, but my bed, the table where I can study at. This is the wardrobe. Ta-da, ta-da. And then the bathroom. Of course, I showed you guys like multiple times. Okay guys, so I do still have to do like my laundry and my dishes, but this room is looking clean and it is finally livable. This room is finally livable. Like, it's no longer a literal garbage truck. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys can take one lesson away from this video, it is to make sure you clean after yourself so you don't end up like me and you have to do like a whole like 2-hour cleaning ritual. So yeah, make sure you clean up after yourselves, and please look after yourself as well. I know uni can get really busy and it is hard to take care of yourself, but it is super important to take care of yourself. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and if you guys liked it, hit the like button and hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on my next video.